Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Friends, we all know using dark mode is good for our eyes. So to enable dark mode, we need to open facebook.com. In facebook.com, we need to press on this account icon. In accounts, we will find option of dark mode. We need to enable this setting. Now friends, as you can see, we have enabled dark mode for our Facebook. So friends, like this you can very easily enable dark mode for Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.